Welcome to the bonus content video on 14 ways to make money using AI. I will be listing the specific platforms, so be sure to take notes. This video is a perfect complement to Cliff's other course, including how to make a fortune on FIVERR, so be sure to check that out. The rapid rise of AI, its astonishing growth, and how it's increasingly weaving itself into the fabric of our everyday lives is truly mind-boggling. From autonomous vehicles to smart home devices, AI is not just a buzzword, but a revolutionary force, transforming industries and creating unprecedented opportunities. The rise of AI has opened a plethora of opportunities for entrepreneurs and businesses alike. Imagine writing high-quality blogs without the need to spend hours brainstorming and drafting. With AI writers like Jasper, that's a reality. These advanced tools can generate content quickly and efficiently, saving you precious time. But it's not just about efficiency. AI writers can analyze vast amounts of data to find trending topics, ensuring your blogs are always relevant and engaging. And the best part? You can monetize this. With the time saved, you can focus on marketing your content, building an audience, and turning your blog into a profitable venture. So, if writing is your forte, AI could be a game changer. Art and AI? Yes, you heard that right. The world of art has been revolutionized by artificial intelligence. Artists are turning to AI tools like DeepArt to create unique, one-of-a-kind pieces. With these tools, artists can generate artwork that's distinctly different, yet equally captivating. What's more, these AI-generated masterpieces are not just for show, they're also a new avenue for profit. Artists are selling their AI-created art, and customers are loving the innovative blend of technology and creativity. So artists, it's time to embrace AI. AI is not just about automation, it's about innovation too. In the realm of indie product development, AI code assistants like Kite are revolutionizing the game. These smart tools provide real-time code suggestions, automating repetitive tasks, and thereby speeding up the entire product development process. For the indie developer, this not only means saving time, but also potentially maximizing revenue. In this modern age, where time is money, product development has never been so efficient. Marketing has gone digital, and now it's going AI. This shift is not merely a trend, but a revolution, transforming how businesses reach, engage, and convert their audiences. Now, AI tools like MarketMuse are leading the charge, automating tasks and improving campaign results. With these tools, keyword research, content optimization, and strategic planning become more efficient and effective. The result? Increased traffic, higher conversion rates, and improved ROI. Digital marketers, it's time to step into the future. Sales operations can be a headache, but with AI, it doesn't have to be. Imagine tools like Gong, designed to automate sales and management tasks. They're not just streamlining workflow, they're transforming it. Picture a world where efficiency and profitability are no longer at odds, but in perfect harmony. Where tedious tasks are replaced with strategic thinking. Where sales operations are no longer a bottleneck, but a gateway to growth. Sales operations just got a whole lot easier. Ever imagine professional photo editing at the click of a button? With AI photo enhancers like Luminar, it's no longer a fantasy. These sophisticated tools can handle complex editing tasks, from color correction to object removal, all in a fraction of the time it would take to do manually. This not only saves precious time, but also allows photographers to focus on their creative vision, rather than technicalities. So, whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring shutterbug, AI is ready to be your assistant. Photographers, AI is ready to be your assistant. Chatbots are the new customer service representatives. Imagine a world where customer inquiries are managed swiftly and accurately, round the clock. This is where AI chatbots come in. Tools like Drift are changing the game, offering instant, precise responses to consumers, all without human intervention. For those in the tech or customer service industries, deploying these AI chatbots offers an immense business opportunity. Not only can they handle multiple queries simultaneously, but they also learn and improve over time. Customer service has never been so efficient. Editing videos for social media just got easier. With the rise of AI video editors like Magisto, the creation of engaging and captivating content is no longer a time-consuming task. These AI tools streamline the editing process, automating aspects like sequencing, transitions, and even music selection. It's not about replacing the creative human touch, but enhancing it. By taking care of the technical aspects, AI allows you to focus on the storytelling and message of your video. Social media managers, it's time to embrace AI. Music creation isn't just for musicians anymore. Welcome to the age of AI-powered music generation. With tools like Amper Music, unique background tracks are but a few clicks away. This is a game changer for musicians and content creators, opening up a new realm of possibilities. Imagine an AI application that understands music theory, rhythm, and harmony, and can compose a piece of music in any style or mood you need. And the best part? It's on demand, ready to create whenever inspiration strikes. Musicians, meet your new band member, AI. Translation services have a new player, AI. Imagine a world where translation is no longer a cumbersome task. That's what AI translation services like DeepL bring to the table, offering fast and accurate translations. But don't worry, this doesn't mean our human translators are out of business. Instead, it's an opportunity to enhance their skills and productivity. By partnering with AI, translators can handle more complex projects and deliver more accurate translations. Faster. Translators, the future of translation is here. SEO is no longer a guessing game. It's a phrase that's been echoing in the digital corridors for quite some time. Gone are the days when SEO was just about stuffing keywords and hoping for the best. Today, it's all about data-driven decisions and strategic planning. Enter AI SEO tools like BrightEdge. These sophisticated platforms can provide insightful, actionable data, helping to identify trends, optimize content, and predict outcomes. They offer opportunities for SEO experts to deliver more effective and efficient services. So to all the SEO experts out there, AI is your new secret weapon. Affiliate marketing has a new ally, AI. In this digital age, AI tools like Volume are revolutionizing the way we conduct affiliate marketing. By utilizing intelligent algorithms, these tools can optimize your marketing efforts, streamline tracking, and provide detailed insights into your campaign performance. They offer unprecedented opportunities for marketers, enabling them to target audiences more accurately, automate repetitive tasks, and ultimately increase their revenue. Imagine the possibilities: more conversions, higher return on investment, and significantly less time spent on mundane tasks. Affiliate marketers, it's time to power up your campaigns with AI. Web design is no longer just about aesthetics. It's about creating efficient and interactive user experiences. Enter the world of artificial intelligence web design. Tools like Wix ADI are revolutionizing the field, streamlining the design process with intuitive interfaces and auto-generated layouts. These tools can analyze your content, learn your preferences, and create a website that not only looks great but also performs optimally. This is a game changer for web designers, offering opportunities to focus more on the creative part of the job. Web designers, AI is ready to be your co-designer. AI is not a magic wand, but it's a powerful tool. A common misconception is that AI will do all the work for you. It won't. Like any tool, it requires understanding and skill to use effectively. Explore the vast landscape of AI tools and opportunities. There's a world waiting for you. But don't be fooled into thinking it's a shortcut to success. It's a tool to help you achieve your goals more efficiently and effectively. Remember, AI is a tool, not a trick. It's time to harness its power. The rise of AI is undeniable. From writing blogs, creating artwork, optimizing sales to web design, the potential is immense. It's not a trick but a tool, a powerful one that can transform how we work. Be sure to check out Cliff's other courses, including How to Make a Fortune on FIVERR, perfect for freelancers using AI tools like these.